Hi, Jared Carmen from the Bayview Group, Mornington Peninsula, and welcome to the absolutely spectacular 47A Bayview Road in Mornington. This property is just stunning. The presentation is amazing. You could eat off the floor, it's gorgeous. It's just beautifully presented and it's ready for you to move straight into. So, get in there and check it out. From walking straight in, you get to see the quality. Engineered flooring and just this really beautiful open space. It's a really, really good size, really nice and light and bright. You've got an informal dining area right here as well. And then part of the open planness and the feel is this beautiful kitchen. So stone bench tops, and you can, entertain straight outside. It has its own walk-in butler's pantry as well. It is really well laid out. It's just stunning. Even the laundry is super stylish with amazing tile work. It's just gorgeous. One of the greatest features of this property is the downstairs bedroom. So the longevity of the home is preserved. You've got a walk-in robe and an ensuite bathroom that is incredibly stylish with light spilling in everywhere. It's just super cool.
So as we come upstairs, we're greeted with a nice open plan living area, as you can see. So upstairs, we've also got 2 bedrooms, great size, both with built-in robes. There is ducted heating and cooling going into each of the bedrooms. We've also got a main bathroom with a separate toilet. The bathroom has a nice big bathtub in it, and it's really well appointed.
I hope you've enjoyed the tour of 47A Bayview Road in Mornington. As you can see, it's an absolutely stunning property. It's gorgeous.
This one won't last long. If you want to book an inspection, feel free to get in touch.
Hurry now.